Wrapped up, so consumed by all this hurt. If you ask me, don't know where to start. Anger, love, confusion, both are going nowhere. I know there's somewhere better, 'cause you always take me there. Came to you with a broken faith, gave me more than a hand to hold. Oh, before I hit the ground, tell me I'm safe, you've got me now. Or would you take the wheel if I lose control? If I'm lying here, or will you take me home? Could you take care of my broken soul? Will you hold me now? Or will you take me home? 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 Hold a gun to my head, count 1, 2, 3. If it helps me walk away, then it's what I need. Every minute gets easier the more you talk to me. You rationalize my darkest thoughts, yeah, you set them free. Came to you with a broken faith, gave me more than a hand to hold. Oh, before I hit the ground, tell me I'm safe, you've got me now. Or would you take the wheel if I lose control? If I'm lying here, or will you take me home? Could you take care of my broken soul? Will you hold me now? You say space will make it better in time, will make it heal. I won't be lost forever, and soon I wouldn't feel like I'm haunted or falling. You say space will make it better in time, make it heal. I won't be lost forever, and soon I wouldn't feel like I'm haunted or falling. Would you take the wheel?